$2,500 in literally 24 hours from starting. That's what one of my members was able to do literally in the last 24 hours. And in this video, I want to show you exactly how he did it. So how's it going? My name is David 𝐏𝐸𝐸. In case we've never met before, I want to show you a system where you can start generating up to $2,000 commissions, plus an additional up to even $4,200 in commissions in as soon as 24 hours from now. And I'm actually going to show you, while there's no guarantee of any sales, I'm actually going to show you a member who's just done that literally in the last 24 hours. So what I want to do is I'm actually, as you can see, I'm recording this from my phone. There's no fancy editing or anything like this because I want to show you, you're interested in seeing the results. If you're watching this video, maybe you're brand new to affiliate marketing, maybe you've been around for a while and you haven't been getting the types of results that you want. So what I want to do is I want to, in this video, show you what type of results my members have been getting and show you a system and why it's so different than pretty much everything you've ever seen out there. Because in this system, I'm the one that's actually doing the work and you are the one that gets to keep whatever commissions come in. So let me flip the screen over and actually show you exactly what's been happening in the last 24 hours. This is the Facebook group that all of my members come into. And you're going to be invited to this Facebook group once you create your account in the system by clicking in the link that you see in the video description. And let me just show you a few things here. So as you can see, this is a member by the name of Julius that says, hey, this is amazing. You know, thank you, David, for this wonderful opportunity. Let's make some money. And he got himself, as you can see right there, a payment of $100 just in the last 24 hours. Now, if he keeps doing this over the next 30 days, that's already a $3,000 per month affiliate business. But here's the thing. This is actually just one of the smaller payments. And let me show you another member. As you can see, Scott here is mentioning, look, don't forget about income stream number 3. He's already made with income stream 3, just one of the income streams inside of this system. He's already made $13,860, as you can see right there. Let's keep going. I want to show you a few more. Here's Alan. Alan I covered in the last video, so we're going to skip over his testimonial because it's already mentioned in the last video if you want to see that. But this is the one that I wanted to show you. Here's a member by the name of Garrett who set up his system and within literally 24 hours was already able to do $2,500, as you can see right there. I mean, again, there's no guarantee that you're going to be able to do the same thing, but I just want to show you what's possible with this system so you get an idea of how does it work. So now when you click the link in the description of this video or somewhere on this page, if you're watching this on my web pages, you're going to be basically going to a page that looks like this. It's going to say, look, discover how to get $2,000 cash payments delivered to your door, plus up to $4,248.50 in additional commissions as soon as 24 hours from now. Now, what you're going to want to do is just click on this button right here. And what that's going to do is it's basically going to take you to a page that's going to show you, first of all, that's me. I want you to watch this intro video. And I'm basically introducing the system. And down here, you're going to see all the different members that have been able to generate results with it and what real members are saying about the system. As an example, as you can see right here, Paulo has already been able to do $376,000 with this system. And he's been able to get himself a new Range Rover. Jane has been able to do $11,000 her first 3 weeks, as you can see right there. And she's, by the way, doing this with 100% free traffic. Here's Lisa, who's doing $2,000 commissions while she's at Bible study, as you can see right there. Let's skip over to a few more. Crystal got herself a $2,000 commission. Ashley made $2,000 in the first 24 hours of joining, as you can see right there. Pretty cool. And this page, by the way, is like endless. I could keep going and keep going. And literally, we're not even going to get to like halfway through the page here. So let me show you just a few more. Here's Becky, who's been able to do 10,000 in a single week. And I could keep going, guys, but I think you get the idea here. Here's another one from Michael, who's been able to do 80,000 in 6 months. And it just goes on and on. So let me just get back to the video here and just share a few more things with you. So One of the reasons that this system works is simply because I'm the one that's doing the work and you are the one that gets to keep whatever commissions come in. There's actually multiple income streams with the system, and those are all, when you activate them, become your affiliate link. So any visitor that you get to go through the system, any program that they basically decide to join, that's your commission to keep, and you get to keep 100% of whatever commissions come in. There's actually no charge for the system itself, but you do need to activate the income streams. So one of the other reasons why members are getting results is because I explain to my members that, look, you need to obviously not just set up your system. That part takes like a couple of minutes. But the most important thing is getting visitors to your affiliate link, right? Because if you don't get visitors to your affiliate link, guess what? Nothing is going to happen and no sales are going to be made and you're not going to be able to make any commissions. So one of the ways that I've kind of remedied that is not only do I show you how to get traffic, and there's actually traffic that's already one of the income streams. There's two different income streams that are actually dedicated to traffic within this system that you can actually make commissions on, plus get traffic yourself. In addition to that, I also have a complete training on how to get completely free traffic that actually converts into sales. And in addition to that, if you activate income stream number one to the highest level, which is a $2,000 level, you essentially are going to get some visitors already going to your affiliate link, because this is a special deal that I've negotiated with income stream number one, where any member that joins through my system and joins at that level, first of all, you're going to be able to make up to $2,000 commissions. You keep 100% of those commissions. That gets you qualified to earn those. And you're going to be able to get visitors already going to your affiliate link. Now, while there's no guarantee of any sales, imagine if just one sale comes in from the 200 visitor package that you get. That's already a $2,000 commission, isn't it? What if two sales come in from that? That's $4,000. And I mean, you could do all kinds of math with that, but really think, like, how many transactions do you need? How many sales do you need if you're making $2,000 per commission? Not even mentioning all the other commissions that are built into the system. How many of those do you need to have a good month? Like, look at your bills, look at whatever lifestyle you're living right now, or whatever lifestyle you want to be living. What kind of income do you need to be able to live that lifestyle? If you're making $2,000 commission, my guess is it's not going to be too many, because to make $10,000 a month, you're going to only need 5 sales. To make $20,000 a month, that's only 10 sales. And I've had members in the system who've actually done that many times over. So what I want you to do is this. If you want to check out the bonus package, if you want to see exactly how the system works, what I want you to do is simply click the link that's just below this video, or somewhere on this page. If you're watching this on my page, there's going to be a button for you to click. It's going to take you to the page where you enter your email, and then you're going to be invited to go to a webinar. And it's really important that you actually watch this webinar, because I go into insane detail on exactly how everything works, exactly how you get to make the commissions, exactly where to get the traffic, and exactly how to also get set up. There's really only 3 steps. Number 1 is for you to watch this webinar by clicking the link just below. Number 2 is to set up your income streams, which takes like 5 to 10 minutes. And number 3 is driving traffic to your system, which, by the way, if you claim the bonus package, if you come in at that level for income stream number 1, there's going to be some visitors included. On top of that, I also show you how to get visitors, whether it's with instant traffic or with social media traffic or free traffic. There's many ways to do it. And this is when you have this information, when you know these secrets, what happens is you're able to drive traffic. If you obviously take this information and leverage it, you're going to be able to drive traffic to your affiliate link, and that's where commissions start coming in. So with that being said, click the link below, go ahead, get yourself onto the webinar, check it out. And I guarantee you, whether you decide to leverage my system to make those $2,000 commissions or not, you're going to get a lot of value from that webinar, because I literally share everything that I've picked up, all the secrets, all the nuggets, all the really hidden stuff that a lot of people miss in all of my years of marketing online, that basically got me to where I am today, able to, live a lifestyle of complete freedom, time freedom, no schedule, no boss, no nothing like that. If you're interested in that, click the link below, go check out the webinar, and let me show you exactly how this is done. And hopefully I'll be able to see your testimonial very soon inside the members group and congratulate you. All right, talk to you soon. Bye for now.